For Debbie's double French bustle, we used a series of rings with coloured beads corresponding to 1-inch lobster claws with the matching colour bead. The claws are along the bottom edge and then connect to the rings above, so that you know each one is going above, and there are 2 layers of them. So it's simply a case of connecting the correct colours. So green to green, and then you just find the next colour. So there's a ring, there's a claw, and just slide them together. Go over to the other side. Now it is easier to do the sides first and then the center, and the center itself has 3 sets. So here's a brown bead on a claw with a brown ring. Connect them together. This one's up a little bit higher. Connect them together. And then you can find the center ones. Again, it's simply a matter of matching up the colored beads. So there's one. It's easiest if you can hold the dress like a cape until the end to do up the very bottom of the train. This one has 2 colors on it, so that they would just match up the 2 colors. I added up it last, so you needed to make sure that it wouldn't match another color we'd already done. And that goes over the top of that. And then spread it all out like this, and just fluff it however you want. Now this is a very, very heavy and very long train, hence the double bustle, and it actually ended up being far longer still than I had planned. However, Debbie was happy with it, so we didn't adjust it. Do you like it?